How fast can a commercial plane can go, specifically Airbus 330 Neo? Let's find out. While taxiing, it's kinda slow. While taking off, let's find out. It is about 280 km per hour, leaving the ground. While it's gaining heights, let's find out. It is about 500 km per hour. While cruising, it is about 800 to 900 km per hour. Is it too much? I don't think so. While on its final descent, ready for landing, its speed decreases already. And when about to land, the speed is around 270 km per hour. Depends on the type of the aircraft. But generally, it is the safest speed on landing. Let us see on the GPS speedometer. So it clocks around 270 when it touched down. It is amazing that they can stop this plane. It's a big plane. So they use thrust reverse, full flaps, and of course the landing gear uses to stop. We finally arrived, safe and sound. Oh, I just saw an Airbus A380 on the hangar for maintenance. It is owned by Lufthansa Technik. An Airbus A330 Neo, ready to take passengers to all around the world. Thank you so much for watching.